Hello everyone. Today we will see what is Ajax. First, we will see what is Ajax. Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is not actually a programming language. It is a technique for creating better, faster, and more interactive web applications with the help of XML, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will see what is asynchronous in Ajax. Asynchronous in Ajax means that we are exchanging data to or from the server in background without refreshing the page. What technologies are used in Ajax? HTML, CSS, JSON, PHP, JavaScript, and XML. How Ajax works. Browser event is created, occurred. It creates an XHTTP request object. It sends HTTP request object to the server. In server, it processes the HTTP request, creates a response, and sends data back to the browser. Browser processes the written data using JavaScript, and it will update the page content. We will see now the applications which use Ajax. Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Ajax example. Ajax application contains one div section and one button. Div section will be used to display information written from the server. Button specify and hold the function. Script section contains the function. Methods used to send a request are open. Open contains method, URL, and async. Method has the type of the request, that is get or post. URL contains the location of the file on the server. Async is used to write asynchronous or synchronous. It is true for asynchronous and false for synchronous. Here is the syntax for open method. Send is used to send the request off to the server. String only used to for post request. Here is the syntax for send method. Now we will see server response methods. Server response methods are response text, which gets the response data as a string, response XML, which gets response data as XML data. Now we will see how to create an XML HTTP request object. Here variable is being created which will be used to create an XML HTTP request object. New XML HTTP request method is used to create this object which is for this variable. Here is a small example how to create an XML HTTP request object. We will now see a simple Ajax example which will give you a deep knowledge about HTML request object and the response methods and some methods which are used to send a request. This is a simple Ajax example which will create a simple XML HTTP request and retrieve data from a text file. Here is HTML code. Here I have written a div which will contain the information from this server. Here is a button and button has a function which function is being written in the script tag. Here are the two methods which are uh, created to send the request to the server. I've used the get function, and here's a true, so it's asynchronous, and script tag is being closed. Here is the output for this above example. Thank you.